nice coincidence. Behind me approaches a Roro ship, and the captain is one of my teachers.
Welcome in the yin-yang concept. I'm Nikos and yin-yang is my Formosa long kill 46-foot ketched. Based in Piso Livadi Paros, we run daily private tours in summer, and when season ends, we explore the endless islands of Aegean Sea. This is the 2025 expedition to the South East Aegean.
Okay, good morning. Monday morning, leaving yin-yang behind, taking the bus to Astypalaia. So, after a nice morning coffee and milk pie and shopping in the local supermarket, where I accidentally found Greek flag. So it seems that every fall when I'm off Paros I should change the flag of the boat. Then I have it all and then I move, going to the post office to post a letter to my friend Lorin and Shep. For the time being, strolling around this beautiful island. Yeah, starting to feeling happy that I'm out. 7 minutes to 9 and the post office is still closed. Hey, waiting. Success. Mission accomplished. Now heading to the marina to see what can we arrange. So, an interesting fact is that I saw the number of an electrician and I called, and over the phone he had some solutions to both electrical problems that I face. However, he's not in Astypalaia, he's in Kos. So I'm now considering moving the boat to Kos, which is quite far from here, some good 100 miles plus. And maybe combine it with a visit to other islands and see if that can make things work. We will see. For the time being, I'm waiting the local electric bus dash taxi to take me back. It's a wonderful day. It's nice to stroll around. It's such a beautiful place. The castle behind me. This is what I faced back in 1993, one early morning of June, when I started my career at sea as a utility boy on a ferry. It has been some good time ever since. And I'm really glad that I'm back once again. So, returning from Astypalaia city, having posted the letter, having made a lot of shopping, and 2 tasks to do right now. Number 1. This is the sea bream that I just bought from a fisherman down there. And I'll have to clean it and prepare it for lunch. Number 2, I found a flag, a Greek flag, that I have to replace with the one I bought last year in Ios and has torn apart, so it's time to hoist a decent flag. And I will put it on the other stanchion, which is matching better. It has been a long day. The boat shifted. When I found empty slot I came here, and I've been trying to bake this fish that I bought from the fisherman behind me, but I was doing it on a very slow mode. Now it's fine, it took a long time. Hope it tastes good. really not that easy, as I am facing an issue with other boats some of the time on the phone, and yeah, life is life, and it is what it is. Let's try and see what have I done. Not bad, not bad at all. And the potatoes are done, strangely.
Astypalaia once again pays off our visit with views and vibes like no other, making us negligent to continue our voyage. Nonetheless, the possibility of rectifying our electrical issues in Kos prevails, hence the decision is made to change the tour overall and sail away by the next morning. With somehow favorable weather conditions forecasted,
great memories behind, and a challenging passage ahead, we set sail for a single-handed voyage through Ikario Sea, on hand steering, for a long day ahead, hoping to solve our problems and eventually enjoy our so desperately wanted sailing cruise. This is a nice coincidence. Behind me approaches a Ro-Ro ship that sails between Greece and Cyprus in Middle East, and the captain is one of my teachers, and we just spoke over the phone. Should be back there. Yeah. Akritas is the name, and Captain Jerry, the famous captain, legend. Captain Jerry, thank you. To the south of Kos, Cartagena behind, I continue to the sea after various ordeals. So a very good morning from Kos Island. Been here since last evening. First of all, one of the luxuries that I have allowed myself to have here on board from this summer and onwards is an espresso machine. To have my morning espresso, one of the few things that I truly enjoy. I have of course added an inverter to support that, but overall we're doing good. Now, yesterday has been a really long day. Departed 7:20 from Maltesana Astypalaia and eventually docked here in Mandraki Kos about 6:20 in the evening. Half of it sailing, half of it motoring and sailing, and some part of it only motoring. I've been through some ordeals, some electrical issues that were out of the plan and have been dealt with. Now, thank God today I have arranged a specialist, an electrician, electronic engineer specialist to attend the boat. Actually, this is why I am here in Kos, to deal with the toilet and with the autopilot. Yesterday I was hand steering for 11 hours, which was not that bad, but what was really restricting was that you cannot do anything else. You cannot stand up from there, especially when you are sailing and adjust the sails. That's an issue. Nonetheless, we did it. So here we are. We're expecting the technician later on today. Fingers crossed. He promised that he was positive and optimistic about dealing with the issues we have. So once I'm happy with that, then there are days ahead to explore various plans, weather, all subject to weather conditions. So we will see how it takes. For the time being, coffee. Morning. On my way to the laundry. It's a good chance to clean things up a bit. In the ancient field that you can trespass through, interesting, here in the center of old city of Kos. Happy Wash, laundry service. They said they will have it ready by the evening. Well, it seems that without autopilot this voyage is seriously impaired. Therefore, assistance arrives to share the load. In the next episode, with a co-pilot on board, we hoist our sails and continue towards the South East, visiting first the island of Nisyros, where we walk through a volcano crater, visit a spectacular village and enjoy unique views of a special island. If you wanna support this channel, please do not forget to subscribe, press like and share our videos as the algorithm seems to love it.